In this video, I'm going to show how to set up the invoicing system on any account. Here we are on a new account and that has no invoices. And as you can see here, one of the first thing that the system is asking for is to integrate a payment gateway. And well, to do that, there are multiple options of how we can access this. And the invoicing system is under the payments tab. And if we go here and go to invoices, we can click here to integrate a payment gateway. And this is going to immediately take us to the integrations tab. And here's where we can connect a payment processor. We can connect a Stripe account, PayPal, Authorize.net, Square, and some others. And well, once we have connected a payment gateway, we also need to make sure that all of our information is correct, because the system automatically grabs the information based on whatever is available in the business profile. For example, let's go to set up a new invoice. And as you can see here, the system will immediately populate information in here in the invoice. There's also supposed to be a logo here, but in this case, because this is a new account and it has no logo, then nothing populates. And well, if we want to adjust some of the information that shows up in the invoice, then what we need to do is adjust this information on the account settings. For that, we need to head over to the settings tab and go to business profile. And for example, this location or sub account doesn't have a logo. That's why it's not showing up on the invoice. And we can adjust the address here. We can adjust the business phone number in here. And well, that's how we can adjust all of this information. And well, in addition to this, we also have the invoice settings. We can also change the information that shows up in the invoice in here. Well, as you can see here, we can change the address, the business name, and we can also add custom values. And for the email configurations, well, this is something else, but as long as this matches your dedicated domain for sending emails, you should be fine. We can also add title and terms so that every time an invoice goes out, this will be automatically added to the invoices, to all invoices or estimates. And well, there are some other options in here, but well, the system is pretty self-explanatory and everything explains what this does. For example, you can enable an option here to charge late fees, and then you can adjust this as you want. You can also enable partial payments, but well, all of these additional options for the invoices can be enabled here in the invoice settings.